Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is important. Like in this topic we will discuss how we can combine the different set or multiple set of data into one cell. Here you can see we have the two set of data. First one is the name and the second one is the salary. And what we have to do, we have to just combine both the cells into one cell. So now first we have to select the cell in which we want to combine or join both the cells. So I just select this cell. Now I just write here equals to, and then write the first cell address, which is B3. Now I just write here and sign, inverted comma, which means I just connect that cell, and inverted comma, and press space for giving the space between the letters or between the cells or data, and then inverted comma close, and then again and sign for joining another cell, and then select the address of the cell, which is C3. So if I just press here enter, so you can see I got mark, and between that I got space because we have given the space between two inverted commas, and then we got the data. Now I just need to drag it down so we get all the data. Like for suppose if you want to add between the dash, so you can add dash, and what we have to just put here dash between data, and we will get the dash here. Now suppose if I want to write below or between the currency, how I can write? I can just erase that letter and add here $, and then press enter. So you can see I got the $, as well, and I just drag it down so it will implement on the below all the cells. Now if I need to make the format of the currency, so how I can make? First I have to go here in any cell and use the format, and here you can see the custom. In the custom you can see the multiple currency like this is the currency type, this is the currency, and this is the format. So here you can see that format. I like that format, so I just copy that format and then remove it and go here again, and then just write here text, bracket open. In the text I select the cell, which means value, comma, and then it says format. So I just write it inverted comma, paste the format, inverted comma close, and bracket close. Now you can see I have just select the first cell and sign for joining it. Then I just write here inverted comma, and then I just write here $, to indicate that this currency belongs to dollar, and then inverted comma close, and then I just write and sign to connect all the data. And in this all data I just write a text. In the text format it says the value, so I just give the value, which is our C3. So I just give the value, and then it says comma, I just write here comma, and then it says format, so I just write in inverted comma the format. Now I just press enter, so you can see it got the format, and now just I need to drag it down so it has completed its task. You can select multiple options here. This is how we have just done our example. If you like our video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any confusion, please write in our comment section. Thank you so much.